installing the cam bearings, little engine lube, so she don't start up dry. Flat side out, cam bearing installer tool. Everything's put together, cam bearings are ready to go. Install the plate. Install the thumb screws. Pretty simple process. Once you do it, it ain't bad. Do one, I'd say you can do your second one twice as fast. First time working on a Harley Davidson. Everything's good and tight, ready to go. Flashlight to check out my bearing. This presses the new bearing in the looks like it's ready to go. And there she goes. You're just going to run this in, bottom that installer tool on the inside of this bolt, bottom it out against the case. And that is it. Back her out. And that should have your cam bearings installed. There they are. See, the cam bearing tool will stop against the case right there. They're just predetermined. She'll stop right there, put the bearing in place, and call her done.